what landed on my doorstep today? The new Illustrated Faith devotional kit. So this one is called Less Hustle, More Jesus. Isn't that awesome? I can't wait to try it out. So let's go ahead and give it a look. So we've got our little package. And I haven't opened this yet, so I have no idea what's in there. So let's... Oh my gosh, it comes with a stamp, an alphabet stamp. How cool is that? I'm loving it already. I love alphabet stamps. Oh, this one's great. It's got the solid lines up here, and then it's got one that can do a shadow on around the outside. How super fun is that? All right, so number 1, love that. Oh, there's no washi tape. I can see that already. All right, so we've got our little card here. It says, Less Hustle, More Jesus. I like this little bike. That's really cute. And then, of course, there's a note from Shauna on the back. Hiya. Love it. I like the little graphics on there. And then, let's see. What else we got? We got all this Euphoria in here. Let's get that out. We got a little sticker. Also goes with the little bike. I think that's really cute. I should maybe incorporate that this time into my stuff. So we got His truth, His joy, my need, His rest, my trust, the present, my hope, my joy, my life, His path, my peace, His yoke, Less Hustle, More Jesus to go with a little sticker here, His strength, my journey. That's a good one. And then some little balloons. That kind of goes really good with the little bike here. Cute, 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 cute. So that's what we've got for our Euphoria. That's a bunch of life words and stuff. I love that. I don't know if I'll stick these in the Bible, but I love the little scripty saying. I don't know yet. We'll see. All right, and then we've got some heart tip-ins. So we've got one with a little cake. Lord, you are compassionate, gracious, slow to anger, rich in faithful love, strong in truth. And then the back is blank, so you can do some writing on there. My peace I leave you, my peace I give you. It's yellow. It goes with matches the bike. And again, there's nothing on the back. Your plans for me are perfect. Oh, you got the little balloon there that goes with the present, so that makes sense. Kind of gives you a little plan here to do with this present. Okay, then you've got a couple of sticker sheets, and these are they're not clear, they're on the white paper again, so they're thicker. But you've got some tabs, some crosses, little hexagons, flags, banners, little arrows. This little popsicle one, isn't that cute? It's really cute. And here's some candles. Our little, yeah, those are candles. I had to look again. Cute, cute, cute. And then on this sheet, you're gonna have some rainbow words. That's cool. Those will go great to put in there for some funfetti. Very fun. I'm loving that. Okay, and then we've got 4 session cards. So we've got session 1 is follow his lead, and there's a Psalms 86:15, and then the story on the back. And then you've got session 2 under his wings. Look at that green. I love that. And that's Psalms 91:2. Session 3 is his peace, John 14:27. Look at these candles. Aren't those great? And session 4 is his plans for you, Jeremiah 29:11. So those are cool. I really like this bicycle. I'm not sure about this green, and it is kind of green. I don't know what color is showing up there, but it is a bright lime green color. Oh, look at this popsicle. Love that. And this one has a verse on the front. It's 2 Thessalonians 3:16. And then on the back is a place for writing. Oh, here's a bunch of words. This kind of goes with all of the words that we got in the Euphoria. They're all on the top of the page. There's a birthday cake. And this one also has a verse on there. Then there's that fun package with the with the balloons. That's fun. I can see me doing something like that on one of my pages already. So you've got, all of these had a verse on there, so you've got at least 8 verses with these cards, and then with you got one on, let's see, I thought there was one on one of these, but no, not on these. But I know on the back of some of these little Euphoria things, they come with verses too. I always love it when they do that. So the bigger pieces have, I don't think the little bitty ones have that, but all of the, most of these big fat ones, words have verses on the back. So that's really fun. So anyway, that is the new kit. It's called Less Hustle, More Jesus. So I'll put a link to this. It's not available yet. I don't think it's available until the 2nd, but I'll put a link to it down in the description box so you can head over and grab one when it becomes available. It looks like it's going to be super fun. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope you are having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.